Welcome back. I'm Dinesh De Silva. For those who are new to this channel, in this video, I'll be discussing how to create a winning social media strategy. If you like this short lesson, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon there as you do. And don't forget to, if you have any questions, to ask them in the comments area. And if you have any ideas that you'd like to discuss, talk to us in that comments area and we will get back to you on every one of them. So let's get started. Marketing is about creating brand awareness and brand recall. So social media helps us really to create brand awareness, but also brand recall. But social media alone is not enough to create brand recall. So this is why I'm going to teach you a system that uses social media as a powerful tool, but there are other tools we need to use equally. Otherwise, we won't get the results that we need. So how do we look at our funnel? So we got to look at our funnel, and those who attended my webinars before, I have shared this funnel before. This is actually part of what we call the R metrics or the pirate metrics. And this is the time I'm going to work with you not just on the goals, but also on the metrics. So I've discussed the goals. I've discussed the principles in digital marketing. Now I'm going to the metrics. The metrics that you need to measure when you're doing social media. So the first thing is, how do we drive the right customers to our website? Not anyone, the right customers. We're going to use social media. We need to know how many customers do we need to drive to your website through social media. If you don't know these numbers, we are operating blind. But if you know your numbers, it becomes very easy. So I'm going to go through this system and make this whole aspect of social media very simple for you so that you can just focus on what works, what's real, and what drives sales into your business. So the first question to ask is, how do we drive the right customers to our website? Activation is when they come to our website, do they have a great first experience? Okay, so we drive traffic so that we've covered that. How do we make them come back? Now, as you know, most of us, when we go to a website for the first time, we don't buy from them. We always like to go and check the competition, check our options, and then maybe we return. But often we get caught up with life and we forget those websites that we meant to buy. And we may remember one or two because they made more sense to us. So how do we make these customers come back? And we need to have a strategy. Often social media can do it, but there are other ways of doing that too, and I'm going to cover that. How many quality leads do we need to convert to achieve our financial goal? All right, so let's think about it. So that's the funnel. I'm now trying to work out, taking our example of 1 million. Now, you might think this is a bit technical, this is a bit numbers oriented. It is. Why? Because we are running a business. If we're running a business, we need cash flow and we need to achieve sales goals. We need to achieve a financial goal at the end of the year. And that's why I'm doing this, because otherwise just doing ads and posts on social media is useless. Okay, so let's work the method out. Annual sales goal of $1 million. Value of ideal customer per year. So you need to know how much your ideal customer is worth per year. In this case, I'm assuming this could be say a builder. Okay, the builder wants to make $1 million in this financial year, and each renovation they do from a revenue perspective is worth $100,000 for them. So if you really want to achieve $1 million, they need to do 10 renovations a year. So the next question you got to ask yourself is, to win 10 renovations, how many leads do I need to get? So that's a very important question. To win 10 customers, how many leads do I need to get? So then the next question is, if 10 customers speak to me or 10 quality leads speak to me, how many of those leads can I convert as customers? By talking to them, by showing them what we do, building confidence with them, how many of them can I win? In this case, I've taken the example of 5. Most business people are very good in their industries. A lot of them tell me they can win 7, 8, 9. Some people tell me 10. I think that's a bit ambitious, but let's take an average of 5. So if you win 5 out of 10, if you win 5 out of 10 leads, we need 20 leads to win 10 customers. So that's the number here. Now, these are quality leads. What we don't know is how many regular leads will come from our website, which we don't know as quality leads. At the beginning of your business, at the beginning of your digital journey, you don't know that. So I'm just assuming here, 20% of all leads that are coming to your business are the ones that are going to be quality leads. So we need to win 100 leads. We need to get 100 leads from your website. If we're to get 20 quality leads, and if these 20 quality leads, we win 50% of them, we get 10 customers, and then we'll achieve that. So everything is focused on achieving $1 million. For that, we know we have to win 10 customers, and we need to win 20 quality leads, and then we need the website to give us 100 leads. So what you don't know at the beginning is also what percentage of visitors to your website is converted. So if you take an average of 2%, we don't know. They say it could be anywhere between 1% to 4% or 5%. We've had sometimes upwards of 20% in certain cases when we drive them to the right landing page. But you got to work it out for yourself.